Munini wa President Prof Kithure Kindiki niwavithua kuvikia ooyu Enenthi milioni 17 nimeyiandikithitye na muvango mweu wa uiiti wa SHA vala wina mitalatala miseo ya uiiti kwa kila mwenenthi. Kindiki niwalulumiilya muvango wa silikali wa kuete uiiti wina withianu na wiananu kula kwi Enenthi uemete silikali mbingi mbitu ateo ya President William Ruto nikuthukumithya Taifa Care nginya muthia kusioka ingi ona iti na ona vanini. Benjamin mwaka niwatumbanisia ili voti kwa uliku.
Kindiki ainene tunakuthuima uthukumi sipitalini munene wa Kenyatta vamwe na uiiti wa waungwa walanyo wa uiiti wa SHA niwaweta vena wananyo kinandu giki na uniko kwa awau aingi.
It is now 2 months plus since we started out the registration rollout. The numbers are picking up, but they are not good enough. We want to urge every citizen of Kenya to register under the Social Health Authority so that they can be beneficiaries of Taifa Care. It has a better package because from the impact stories that we have heard from some of the patients, especially critical patients of critical illnesses, in many of the cases, I have been informed by the patients themselves that the process of getting services is fast, outpatient, and even inpatient. And even the approvals for the bills is taking a very good record time.
Kuyanana na munini wa President nikana mwambirilio wa kinandu cha uiiti vanaina mathina maingi alago yu silikali iende kumathinikea.
We still have 1 or 2 administrative procedural hiccups, some of it related to documentation, some of it related to technology, and we are consistently resolving those hiccups to make sure that Taifa Care delivers universal health coverage for all the people of Kenya.
Niwaweta walanyo wa uiiti wa UHC uemete silikali mbingi mbitu na hii ya Kenya Kwanza ithemwa iweta kiicha ikitue kinene manifesto ni ya silikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
This is not the first time we are trying this. The NAC administration attempted this. It didn't succeed. The Jubilee administration attempted this. It didn't succeed. And because of the previous attempts, this time round, we will succeed because we can learn from the other 2 attempts what were the administrative, legal, and even procedural constraints that made the other attempts not to succeed. So we are very sure that Taifa Care will work. Universal health care for everyone will work this time round.
Kuvikia ooyu walanyo wa uiiti wa SHA ile vatisitwe Taifa Care nimeyiandikithitye mainini va Enenthi milioni 17.
So we are working very hard to make sure that this program succeeds. We will leave no effort until this program is on its feet. Those who have provided us with feedback on where the problems are, we take that feedback positively, and we are working to unlock the bottlenecks that have already been identified.
Vilingo wa mauvo kumava kauntini Lovi. Dito Benjamin mwaka.